how to delete a WhatsApp message after sending. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any chat from the list. Now, go to the text bar and type in a message. Once you're done, tap on the send button to send the message in this chat. Now, if you want to delete this message, tap and hold the message. Then, tap on delete from the options. You can select more messages to delete if you want. After selecting, tap on the delete icon at the bottom left corner. Now, tap on delete for everyone. This will delete the message from both sides. If you want to delete the message only for yourself, then tap on delete for me instead of everyone. Following these steps, you can easily delete a WhatsApp message after sending.